All right, I got one more for you. Now this package I did buy with my own money. It wasn't sent as a free gift. It isn't sponsored, but I'm really excited, so I wanted to show it with you. Show it to you. Yes. Y'all know how much I love my coffees and my matchas. And typically I actually make all of my syrups at home. But I was scrolling through TikTok the other day and I stumbled upon this specific brand's coffee syrups. And if I'm gonna get syrup and not make it my own, I'm gonna make sure it's some high quality shit. And theirs looked really good. Their flavors looked really interesting. And then I went to their website and saw that they are a women-owned and operated business, and they had me sold. However, when I found them, all of their stock was completely sold out. And they just came back in with their sampler pack, so I bought them. So let's open her up. I have been waiting for this. I think I ordered it a week ago or so, and I've been so excited. And I've literally let all of my syrups dwindle down to nothing. All I have left is an Earl Grey syrup, just specifically waiting for this package. They're called Transcendence Coffee, and they are two women who actually met as baristas while they were in college and created this business, which I just loved that story. So this is their first mini sampler pack, and it comes with this little card that says thank you. And it says, shake well, we use all natural ingredients and real whole spices so separation may occur. And then it says to refrigerate them after opening, and we do not use any preservatives so some sugar crystals may form. Fear not, pop in the microwave for a few seconds to reduce the sugar. So I love that they use natural ingredients and not a fuck ton of preservatives. So these are the mini syrups that I got, and I love that they do a mini sampler pack too, because you never know if you're gonna like a flavor, and I hate spending a lot of money on something just to get it home and you try it and it's terrible. So love the sampler packs. So I have 5 of them, which is their coffee classics, and I think they're kind of generic flavors. And they come in freaking glass bottles. How great is that? So let's go over the flavors I got. So I got Indian Gulab Jamun. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So I have no idea what this one is, but it says it's notes of cardamom, saffron, and rose, which is really freaking interesting. Next one is Algerian baklava. So this is orange blossom, cinnamon, and honey. Oh my God, that's gonna taste so good in a fucking matcha. You have your classic vanilla bean, and you can legit see the amount of vanilla beans that they use, which means they're not cheaping out with vanilla bean usage. Sometimes you get vanilla bean syrups and there's like 2 to 3 little beans in there. And it's like, come on, if you're gonna claim vanilla bean, I wanna be able to see all these little black dots in here. So this is awesome. Miso salted caramel. Huge fan of salted caramel. Miso, not a huge fan of. However, I want to try this one and maybe they'll convert me because I'm like, ooh, it's like salty, it's sweet. I'm interested to try this one. And the last one is a French lavender Madeleine, which is going to taste so good in matcha. So I use these for matchas and coffee, but I definitely think like there are some that will lean more coffee. Probably the miso salted caramel will lean more coffee. The lavender will lean more matcha for my personal preference. I'm going to start trying out these flavors tomorrow and make one today, but honestly, I'm not feeling that great. If you see, I'm like, haven't been feeling very good the last few days, so I don't want to push it, but I will be trying one tomorrow morning. I have to wake up at 5 a.m. to go teach a beginner reformer class at 7 and a beginner reformer class at 8, but it's Valentine's Day, so I'm looking forward to it because I'm doing a little something special for the people who are in my class, so I'm pumped about that. But I will let you know my honest review on these, and also when you're listening to reviewers, know it's all personal preference, especially when it comes to flavored items. So just because I don't like something doesn't mean you won't like it. Just my 2 cents. Always kind of take reviews with a grain of salt.